your fibre modem and socket, your power pack, jumper wire, and starting from the left, your BICS, Krone and Quanti inserters. And if it's a strips cross connect cabinet, your crimpers, crimps 8A and 11A. Before travelling to the PCP, you must run a fast test 2 to check the condition of the line you're about to upgrade. If the test result fails, you can still complete the job, but you must note it down in the job closure notes when you complete it. You must now call the customer to confirm they've received their modem or router from the CP and that they've set it up as per the instructions. If they haven't, ask them to set it up and plug it into their master socket, following any user guides within the router box. You now travel to the PCP and set up your roadworks guarding. You must check for and report any damage you find at the PCP to the DCU. Upon opening the cabinet, you must check the earth bond is in good condition. If not, contact your line manager or the DCOE on the number shown. You now need to identify your fibre E-side. Using an NTE5 with an SSFP connected to the front, connect the supplied RG11 cable provided within the white fibre modem. Connect the other end to the grey port of the fibre modem. Terminate the socket into your fibre E-side and using your power pack, power up your fibre modem. The power light will flash and then remain constant. And once sync has started, the DSL light will also flash. Once it is solid, you've established sync. With your fibre modem still in sync, you can now identify your copper E-side. To do this, insert the correct test adapter into the routed E-side and using the 17070 check, test for your dial tone. If you can't identify your dial tone, you can request a remote CPI tone using the following number and following the relevant options. Once you've confirmed your copper E-side, you can now carefully remove the jumper wire that connects it to the copper D-side. Trace the jumper wire around to find your D-side. Remember, if any of the routing is different to what was originally on the job order, you must update routing and records. It's important to leave the jumper wire connected to the copper D-side to mark its position. You can now run a new jumper wire from your existing copper E-side to your fibre D-side. Check your dial tone has successfully passed through the fibre tie pairs using your butt phone or tone testers. And once your modem has been in sync for at least 3 minutes, you now need to perform an OGEA speed test via your mobile phone, the result of which will be sent to you via a text message. If the speed test you receive is not as expected, call the DCOE call platform. If the speed test you receive is OK, carefully remove your socket and fibre modem and terminate your new jumper wire to connect your fibre E-side to your copper D-side. Once terminated, allow at least 3 minutes for any equipment at the customer's property to sync correctly. Then confirm dial tone at your copper D-side and run your Eclipse test using the test adapter and your butt phone. The result of this test will be sent to you via 2 text messages, and these results should match what you originally received on your fast test 2. If the copper part of the test fails, but it matches the original result when you ran your fast test 2, this is OK. If the fibre part fails, then you must call the customer again to confirm the router is connected correctly. You still don't need to visit the customer's home, but if there is still an issue, close the task with good notes. If both parts of the test are OK, then it's time to close down the site and close your job as complete.